Hello, and thank you for visiting the Advancing an Initial Specialist Teacher License to a Professional License component of the Massachusetts Educator Licensure Series, often referred to as MELS. This presentation provides general information to Massachusetts reading and instructional technology specialist teachers interested in advancing their initial specialist license to a professional license. Please note there is a separate MELS, Advancing an Initial Speech Language and Hearing License to a Professional License, that provides general information to Massachusetts speech language and hearing specialist teachers who are interested in advancing their initial license to a professional license. Throughout this presentation, there will be references to finding additional information such as guides, forms, and other websites. You can find links to these resources within the overview located directly beneath this video. A professional license is valid for 5 years. The clock is ticking regardless of employment status. A professional license is renewable for additional 5-year terms. Educators who have not satisfied the requirements to advance to the professional license may apply for an initial extension during their 5th year of employment under the initial license. If applicable, please visit the Extending an Initial Teacher License component of MELS for additional information about obtaining an initial extension. Educators who already hold a professional teacher or professional specialist teacher license may advance an initial specialist teacher license to a professional license through gaining at least 3 years of employment under the initial specialist teacher license. However, if the initial specialist teacher license is in a restricted status, possession of the SEI teacher endorsement is also required. We will cover an overview of requirements for those who do not already hold a professional teacher or a professional specialist teacher on the following slide. Individuals who do not already hold a professional teacher or a professional specialist teacher license may advance an initial specialist teacher license to a professional license through satisfying the following requirements. At least 3 full years of employment under the initial specialist teacher license, the completion of a 1-year induction program with a mentor, and at least 50 hours of a mentored experience beyond the induction year, and one of the following must also be satisfied: an approved licensure program for the professional license, a program leading to eligibility for master teacher status comparable to the professional license, or possession of a master's or higher degree and at least 12 graduate credits in the subject matter knowledge of the professional license or in the subject matter knowledge of the professional license and pedagogy. Educators commonly refer to this option as the master's and 12 graduate credit option. Again, if the initial reading specialist license is in a restricted status, possession of the Sheltered English Immersion teacher endorsement is also required. If applicable, please visit the Obtaining a Sheltered English Immersion Endorsement component of MELS for additional information. Let's talk about documenting requirements. A staff member from the Office of Educator Licensure will verify the possession of an initial license in the same field and grade level as the professional license sought. If the applicant does not hold such a license, advancing would not apply. Applicants verify the employment, induction, and mentoring requirement through the school-based employment verification, induction, and mentoring form, or a letter as noted on this slide. A link to this form is contained within the overview located directly beneath this video. Massachusetts approved program providers electronically verify the completion of a professional licensure program. If you have completed a program leading to eligibility for master teacher status, please upload the National Board Certificate. Links to information about professional licensure programs and the National Board for Professional Teaching Standards are contained within the overview located directly beneath this video. This option is generally satisfied through a master's degree or higher and 12 graduate credits in the subject matter knowledge of the license sought or in the subject matter knowledge of the license sought and pedagogy. These credits may be within or outside of the degree and be earned before or after the issuance of the initial license. Coursework and degrees completed in the United States must be through colleges or universities accredited by recognized organizations. An equivalency report completed by a nationally recognized agency is required to consider degrees and coursework completed outside of the United States through colleges or universities not accredited by recognized organizations. When a course meets the noted criteria, but it is not self-evident from the course title or description, applicants may submit a completed 12-credit option verification form or a letter on official letterhead as noted on this slide for further review. Please upload official transcripts and/or equivalency reports. Links to information pertaining to how to upload documents, recognized accrediting organizations, and nationally recognized agencies are located within the overview directly beneath this video. Please keep the following in mind. A professional license is valid for 5 years. Educators employed under a professional license have a professional responsibility to renew the license every 5 years for employment in the role of the license or in a public school or other setting where possession of the valid license is required by Massachusetts law. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Educator licensure in Massachusetts. Thank you also for being an educator or aspiring to become one. Your efforts are commendable and greatly appreciated. We hope this component of MELS has been helpful. Please visit other components of the series for additional information about Educator licensure. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call the Licensure Call Center at 781-338-6600 or stop by and visit us in person at our walk-in service counter at 75 Pleasant Street, Malden, Mass.